student. We will do fill in the blanks in thermodynamics. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. There are total 50 fill in the blanks. If you learn them, you will be very good in thermodynamics. The work done by the system is dash and the work done on the system is taken as dash. Work done by the system always negative and work done on the system positive. When the heat absorbed by the system is its enthalpy is increased, so the value of delta H is how much? If heat absorbed, so it will be positive. Heat absorbed means endothermic, and the delta H is written as positive. Heat absorbed by the system. Why it is so? Because enthalpy is increasing of the system, so delta H is positive here, and we are calling it endothermic process. When the heat is lost by the system, at that time energy depleted and the energy is decreased from the system, so the value of delta H will be negative here, and the process is called exothermic. Clear? For exothermic, energy is released. And why it is so that delta H is negative for exothermic reaction? Because from the system energy is lost, so there is decrease in energy. That is why negative sign is coming from here. Okay, now delta H is equal to delta E plus dash P delta V. We can write on P delta V, we can write on delta Ng by RT, we can write on delta E. Sometimes this delta E is internal energy change. Internal energy change. Okay, delta is enthalpy change. Enthalpy change is delta H. Okay, delta Ng gaseous product minus reactant are gas constant, T temperature in Kelvin. Here pressure, volume, work. Okay, so delta H is equal to delta U plus delta Ng RT. All these equations can be there. Here delta E and delta U are one and the same. Bond energy in case of a diatomic molecule is equal to bond dissociation enthalpy, because in diatomic molecule only one bond is there, so both of them are equivalent in this case. Now dash is the average amount of energy required to break down. It is bond energy. Okay, amount of energy required to break down a molecule, polyatomic molecule you can say. It is called bond energy. Average, it is average. I have shown you in methane. See, in methane, so it is average of all bond dissociation enthalpy is bond energy. Clear? Now see, bond dissociation enthalpy refers to break a specific bond in a molecule, and CCl diatomic, in case of diatomic, bond dissociation enthalpy and bond energy same. As I have told you earlier that only one bond is break, that is why bond energy and bond dissociation enthalpy same. Thank you for the watching.